Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will show you how to manage your inventory list in 2 videos. This video is the part 1. First, log into your retailer account. Click Inventory List on the left navigation pane. Inventory List acts as a portal. On this page, you will find all the products you've been adding to the inventory list. Let's see the actual list first. By default, the products are sorted by add time. The newest product will be shown first on the list. You may choose to sort them by add time, inventory, or price, as you like. You can see the names and pictures of the products, their tags, their prices, inventory, and the actions you may take to manage them. By default, all the products added will be shown. You may view and manage particular products by selecting these options. Tags. Click to select the tags you've defined when you were adding the products to the inventory list. You may also choose Untagged to show the products to which you haven't added any tags. Category. Click to select a category to show all the products that belong to this category. Add time. You may choose today only, or the past week, or the past month. Listing status. Click to show all the products already listed to your stores, or all the ones that haven't been listed to your stores. Download status. Click to show all the products already downloaded to your computer, or all the ones that haven't been downloaded to your computer. Unavailable products. Click on this checkbox to show all the products with 0 inventory. You may use this option to show and remove all the unavailable products. Search products. Here you may enter the name of the item number of the product to search them. After any of these options are clicked, checked, or searched, you may click Reset to return to the original list. This is the end of part 1. Please continue to view part 2. Thank you.